for those people who don't know exactly what we are talking about yet, where where is the affiliate manager in the entire ecosystem, and what do they do on a daily basis? So for me as an affiliate, what is an affiliate
So
manager?
it's practically the connection between the person that is selling the offer or offering the products online and the affiliate itself. The offer owner can be either an affiliate program, so a program usually owns the product, or an affiliate network. This means that the person that is owning the products is giving it to some company that is just specialized in providing these offers to affiliates. So, and the person that is speaking beside the affiliate and the one that is practically managing the products is the affiliate manager. So what they have to do. So first is they have to identify the right affiliates for these products and get them started. That's one thing they have to do. And then they have to take care that these affiliates are scaling and these affiliates are maintained there. And in all the years that I'm in this industry, I found it for everybody that I worked with the hardest to maintain the affiliates. To start an affiliate is usually quite easy because every affiliate is eager to try something new. Yes, they have their winning things, but they are reaching a cap there. They are maybe a bit saturated because they always send the same traffic to the offer. And the product owner says like, yeah, okay, come on, for the next half a year, don't send me that. Something that is happening with us a lot in Masters in Cash. People are sending from member areas permanently the same user.
Yep.
Oh, this is not making sense anymore after a while.
Yep.
So the affiliate is proactively looking for the next big thing. That's why there are spy tools. It's not only the products, they also want to have different landing pages and different approaches that an advertiser or network is providing. It is part of their job to find you. So you are looking for them and they look for you. It's like
Yeah.
speed dating. It's perfect. It's a match made in heaven.
It
But once
is.
you
Yep.
find each other, you have to see if you can stick together. So this is first you have to find with them an agreement on a financial base. Are you able to afford what this affiliate needs? Is the affiliate able to afford trying you, or will it take away too much profit from what they are currently running? That's already the first thing that you have to find out. Are the traffic types that the affiliate have compliant with the offers that you are having? Are the countries matching? So, and then you start. And after you start, you have to see that the affiliate can scale. And that is when it already gets complicated because for an affiliate to turn into good numbers and profitable is a thing that is fairly easy on a very low level. But the moment that it has to go up, the complications start because there is only a certain amount of traffic that is fitting that perfect. Everything else needs already like a different approach. And there is where you have to hold the hand of the affiliate a little bit and you have to give insights from the data that you are having, where you have to provide bumps proactive, not only on request for the best traffic sources to sell it. There are also problems done. You say like, hey, it's going very well. Let me bump you, send more. You bump them, they send more, but it's now a different quality. Or you bump them and they are not even scaling. So always make these arrangements with a commitment. That's one important thing. You have to be the trusted consultant of somebody, but this goes in both ways. If you say like, hey, these landing pages are having a better lifetime value for us, I can bump you here. Can you send a little bit more from the same quality? And the guy says, yeah, bump me. And he just takes the extra money and not sending more.
Yeah.
That is not a good deal. And
Yeah.
if it's not a good deal, the business will sooner or later end or will go down. So yeah, this is practically a very big part of the affiliate management to help them to scale. Some companies, they go the extra mile and they are funding, for example, the advertising account of the affiliate. So they say, yeah, we know that you have a cash flow problem, so let us fund you the campaigns and we deduct it later on. And they own the accounts. I have a case study on my channel with my friends from Maxlev. Maybe you know them because also like kind of German and in iGaming. So I made a case study for them in iGaming show in Athens, exactly about this, how they scaled affiliates from 2,000 euros per month to something like 50,000 euros per month. And it was like really giving them the right content that they have to upload, pre-funding their accounts, and so on. There are a lot of things that the affiliate manager in the company can do to scale. So once the scaling is done, you know that there is like a limit where it can be not scale, where if there is no scaling anymore, then you have to work on maintaining. And maintaining is that you update regularly the creatives, that you provide new landing pages, that you ask the affiliate proactive, hey, what other stuff are you working? Can you share with me what is working there? And we get you landing pages created that are in a similar way, that you change the payout terms from monthly maybe to weekly and so on. There are many things that can make them happen. You can invite them for like some masterminds with other affiliates that are really inspiring themselves. This is something, for example, that I love from Digistore.
Yeah.
I'm the smallest fish there because I have only my book there, and it's clear that a book for affiliate managers is not selling like the new Dan Brown novel, like in the millions. I mean, so I'm a small fish there, but I like them. They like me. I always have a good word of for them to say.
Yeah.
So I check their events, and it's like really inspiring. They put all these bright guys into one room, and they are helping each other to grow. And it's clear that the stuff that they learn in this room is then also used at ClickBank and BuyGoods and God knows what people that are doing similar stuff. But in the end of the day, they got this knowledge from Digistore in this case,
Mm.
and that will make them some kind of loyal to them. And this helps to maintain that stuff a lot. And
Yeah.
often when the affiliate is stopping or dropping, it's not even something that you have in your hand. People are getting burnout, people are getting families, people hear about a new vertical, they send traffic there for 1,000 euros and they realize their ROI is there like 5 times better because it's the next big thing.
Yeah, or super
Real,
hot right now or something.
yeah. I mean, it don't even have to be super hot right now, but you cannot imagine how many people from adult dating changed to iGaming. And there is not a lot to do to prevent them from moving there. The only
Mm.
good thing is that now I quote another one that I really like a lot, Jenny Gonzalez. So she always says on our panels, adult dating is like your first love, you're a high school sweetheart. You always come back to this. And it's true. They leave us and they leave us with breadcrumbs for a while. And after this, they show up again because I don't know, in iGaming is then also something happening that is not good. For example, it's not that easy anymore on Facebook, and dating is there at the moment quite easy. So
Okay.
they always come back, but there is for some time being nothing you can do.
Yeah.
You cannot say like, "Hey, I paid you in Germany 5 euros, and now I pay you 30 because this is what you earn in iGaming." That's not a business
Yeah.
model. If you can increase on a request by 5 or 6 times, you anyway made something wrong in the beginning because you should have given the affiliate a small bump at least before, and then they would maybe not even look for other verticals. But these are like the really fine nuances of affiliate management that is not in my book and that is not on my channel. This comes practically talking about these topics up.
Yeah. 100%. Also from an affiliate perspective, when what I found for myself and what I see in so many others is that we always believe the grass is greener on the other side. So let's say you have entered iGaming and you have done iGaming for 2, 3, 4 years, then pretty much you have seen it all at some point. So there's also for your creative mind, there's nothing new happening. It's basically boring routine. Yes, it's profitable, but a lot of media buyers or affiliates, they are creative people. They want to brainstorm new angles, try out new stuff. And with if you stick with one vertical, which is a good choice, obviously, but at some point it gets boring. And I think especially affiliates, they are a little bit adrenaline junkies sometimes. They want
Oh yeah, they
something
are.
new, exciting. I mean, when you're spending thousands of dollars every day on ads, and this gets boring, you know, and then you switch the verticals just for the excitement. And I don't know if the markets are always moving. Like now, iGaming is super popular, and maybe the next wave will be something else again, and then everyone will go there because it's exciting and
Yeah,
new.
it's also the traffic sources that are changing. I mean, today we had this little chat in this German-speaking group. You are there as well, but I'm not sure if you saw that. But somebody was asking there for the next big thing as verticals.
Yeah,
That's one thing. But I said like, okay, maybe you should also look at the new hot or hotter traffic sources.
yeah,
For example, in the last half a year, AppLovin became so popular.
yeah.
That's
You are,
already one thing, but not too many affiliates are really on it. It's something that like a lot of gigantic brands are using,
yeah,
but it's not so saturated really from affiliates there. Maybe they have a high entry barrier, but there are always ways to try something, at least if you are going to a show and you meet people. Then Snapchat, for example, was never really aggressive on the affiliates to work with them. Now they have like own divisions or something like this. They want to do more massive booth on the affiliate world. This time in Dubai, way bigger than my AFJobs booth. But okay, it's Snapchat and not this guy here. So that's two things. Then Telegram. Now that Skype shut down and
yeah,
Teams, I don't enjoy it at all. But
yeah,
I prefer Telegram. So Telegram became a very important traffic source. Nobody that I know really made it really successful there. Okay, Propeller ads and so on, they are making case studies how successful it is, and for sure with all their teams that they are having, they make good money there. But it's also not something where I say like, hey, there are really affiliates that have mastered it in masses.
yeah,
So you can get maybe even in your vertical a completely new challenge, trying new traffic sources. And there is always the way that you hire somebody that just maintains your business and you try to run something new. That is something we saw in dating as well. There were like guys that were extremely successful and they just handed over the business to some employee or to some
nice.
freelancer, gave them a cut, and they were focusing on what runs best. And I'm similar. I mean, I'm not an affiliate, but for example, the recruitment stuff I did for some time being alone. And now I also handed over 80-90% of the work to other people that are working there because it's a business that you can hand over very easy.
Mm,
I still bring in the leads and the publicity, and the work in the background is
yeah,
done way better by people that are just focusing all day long on matching candidates with companies. So
yeah,
what affiliates are doing, I'm doing as well, but it's just like in a different perspective of business and not vertical or traffic source.
yeah. Yeah, it's very similar. I had it when I was brainstorming my affiliate mastermind. I also had this mental image of affiliates always bring together the buyers and the sellers, and that's also what this mastermind should do, like bring people together. And you described something very similar as an affiliate manager. Your job is also to bring together the campaigns and the affiliates and recruit. So it's all always bringing people together. Obviously, a lot of it can be standardized and delegated, which is awesome. But yeah, super interesting.
There's one other thing that I want to mention and that I see unfortunately too often. You should never share really what other affiliates are doing.
Mm,
You can share it like as like a global overview and tell to the people like, hey, affiliates are moving to AppLovin or affiliates move to Telegram or Snapchat or
yeah,
whatever it is. But you should never say stuff like, yeah, for example, we have this one guy that moved there and he's really killing it. If it's one guy, leave this guy running there
yeah,
until more people are discovering it. Don't share the landing pages that other people were sharing with you, for example, for approval and so on. So this is very important because now we are again at personal branding. The person that you handed over maybe this landing pages from another affiliate or these funnels or insights from other partners will make some extra money. And maybe this person will even speak good about you because they are not even thinking about, hey, this person is sharing the funnels of somebody else. He will do the next time I share something with him, something else. But the person that has the original funnel, so the original traffic source, will first stop working with you and will bitch on you what kind of shitty company and guy you are.
Yeah,
And this is affecting the company and you as a person. So when you are leaving, the stigmata stays with the company that you are not keeping your stuff
true.
private.
Hmm.
So the company has a problem, and you go to another company, and this stigmata will stay with you as well. It's not something that will chase you now for the next 20 years or something like this. But at least for some time being, this stuff will be around and known.
And for that, the industry is too small because the word spreads really fast. Like affiliates are connected as well, so every affiliate knows other affiliates. So you will burn not only one affiliate, but potentially like all of his friends as well, because he will
Yes.
share it with them, and they will not sign up for the
Yes,
network.
and that's not something that is in some way accepted from affiliates because affiliates know, for example, that networks are shaving.
Yeah,
And yeah, they complain about it and they say like, yeah, they were shaving and these kind of stuff. But it's still like a different thing because it's in their own hands if they want to run there or not.
yeah,
They look at the EPC and they say, or the ROI, and they say, hey, my ROI is here 200%. I know that they shave 10% of my leads, but with everybody else, I have just 150%. So, okay, this is part of the business.
yeah,
Me personally, as an affiliate manager network, or even if I would be an affiliate, I would always prefer to get like the real numbers reported,
yeah,
even when the payout is maybe not that high because it balances anyway over the EPC. But the less leads are shaved, or when there are no leads shaved, I have more data.
yeah,
If you miss 10% of your leads, you miss 10% of the data that you can use to optimize. But that's something that affiliates accept if the rest is perfect.
yeah.
But
Yeah,
to finalize that quickly, but if you are doing something that is not in the control of the affiliate and or it's in with any business the same, if you do something that is not in the control of your partner and it's not all right and you don't give them the possibility to make a decision, that's where it's really biting in your ass.